us to welcome you to Kona, where the local time is 9:24. We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. Please remain in your seats until the captain has turned off that fasten seatbelt sign. Before leaving us today, please make sure you have all of your personal belongings. Use care when opening those overhead compartments, as contents may have shifted during our flight. On behalf of all of us here at United Airlines, as well as our Star Alliance partners, we would like to thank you for flying with us today. We hope you had an enjoyable flight with us, and we look forward to see you again soon on another United flight. Have a pleasant stay here in the Kona area, wherever your final destination may be.